Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download eHealth for insurance shopping in quotes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the official eHealth website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the homepage loads, look for the menu or section labeled download or mobile app or click on that link to be redirected to the app download options. You will see options for different devices, such as Android or iOS. Select the option corresponding to your device. For iOS devices, you'll be taken to the App Store page. Tap the Get button to begin downloading the app. For Android devices, you will be directed to the Google Play Store. Tap Install to download the application. Once the download is complete, locate the eHealth app on your device. Tap the app icon to open it. You may need to create an account if you don't have one already. Follow the prompts to enter your details and set up your account. Once logged in, navigate through the app to find insurance shopping features. You can now explore various insurance quotes tailored to your needs. Use the app's search and filter functions for a more personalized experience. When you find an insurance option you like, follow the prompts to request a quote. Review the information provided and proceed as necessary. Congratulations, you are now ready to use eHealth for all your insurance shopping needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.